Clients.Help helps businesses stop losing website visitors. You install a simple widget.
For WordPress websites, setup is even easier. The Clients.Help plugin appears directly inside the WordPress admin panel and guides you step by step. Connect your workspace, enable the widget, check the connection, set up Telegram, and run a final test. Everything is managed in one place, without technical complexity. Clients.Help is more than just a chat button. It includes a website widget for visitors and an operator panel where your team can continue conversations, reply to questions, and manage incoming leads. The entire flow, from the first message to the saved lead, happens in one system. Clients.Help also includes a business catalog. Companies can appear in a public directory, gain extra visibility, and create another way for potential customers to discover them. This gives businesses one more channel for incoming leads. For WordPress and WooCommerce websites, Clients.Help offers a dedicated plugin. During the pilot, businesses can request free setup and quickly launch the widget, message capture, Telegram alerts, and their first customer connection. It is designed for business owners who want to start fast without dealing with complicated installation. Installation takes only a few simple steps. After connecting the plugin, businesses can receive visitor messages inside WordPress, get Telegram notifications, support voice messages, and, for WooCommerce stores, see product context inside each customer inquiry. That means your team can understand not only who contacted you, but also what product or service they were interested in. Clients.Help works for many types of websites. It can be used by online stores, service businesses, freelancers, web studios, local companies, and agencies. The screenshots show how the service looks inside WordPress and how easily it can fit into different business workflows. The workflow is simple. A visitor opens the widget and asks a question. Your team can answer live. If the conversation is not completed, the system saves the contact details as a lead and notifies the manager. This helps businesses avoid missed opportunities, even outside working hours.
Clients.Help also provides ready-made demo sites and templates for different business categories. You can choose the business type, color scheme, and design style, then quickly generate a simple page for presenting services and collecting inquiries. This makes it easier to launch a business page without building everything from scratch.
Here is an example of a ready-made page for a beauty studio. It already includes a main section, service blocks, and clear call-to-action buttons, making it easier for visitors to book or leave a request. This helps small businesses get online faster and start receiving leads immediately.
Here is another example, this time for an auto service business. Clients.Help adapts the design and content structure to the selected industry, so the page feels relevant for the target audience. The same platform can support many different business types. Clients.Help works in 4 simple steps. First, you install the widget on your website. Then visitors start conversations. Your team replies, or the system saves the inquiry automatically. Finally, instant notifications make sure nobody misses the lead. The goal is simple: capture more messages and turn more website visitors into real customers.
Clients.Help is built for many industries: beauty salons, recruiting, repair services, clinics, online shops, restaurants, agencies, freelancers, and more. Each business can use a ready-made structure that fits its niche and helps collect customer messages more effectively. If clients write to your business, Clients.Help can help you capture and manage those conversations.
Clients.com is a simple platform for capturing website messages, replying to customers, and saving leads that could otherwise be lost. It helps businesses respond faster, organize conversations better, and get more value from their website traffic. Try Clients.com and turn more visitors into